Hey y'all, so this is really important and we didn't have class today, so I want to be able to tell you this in person so that you see my face. Um, I know that with distance learning, doing tests or anything like that are really difficult and challenging just because of the logistics of it. And I told you all that we weren't really going to have tests. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to do something similar to a test where you have questions like multiple choice questions, but you'll be able to use your own notes, not your friend's notes or your friends or the internet, but your notes. And of course, it's going to be honor system. But the way that I'm going to grade it is you'll have to mark the answer on CollegeBoard, but then also give me an explanation to let me know that you know what you're talking about. Right? And this is going to be the way that I'm going to be able to understand how well you understood a concept. So that explanation part is super key. So in your assignment for today, you have some questions on CollegeBoard. So log on to your CollegeBoard account, My AP. You should go to the place where you see all of the assignments from your teachers. So find my assignment that says Unit 1 and 2 test. There are going to be 20 multiple choice questions on there. You might have seen some of them already, you might not have, but the idea is you're going to answer those questions on CollegeBoard, but while you do that, you're going to have your notebook in front of you, and you're going to be writing down the explanations to why you picked the answers to those questions. So I wanted to show you really quickly an example, and I'll also post a picture of this, but the idea is you should have the question number, you should put the answer down, and then a 1 to 2 sentence explanation of why you picked that answer, why it's correct, why the others are incorrect, that sort of thing. So you really want to use all of the knowledge that you've learned in class from the lectures, the simulations, the projects, the videos, all of those, and show me as much as you can in these explanations, because again, this is unfortunately one of the only ways that I'll be able to see whether you truly understood a concept or not. So that is going to be your assignment for today. So think of it as a test. It's going to go in as a test grade, but it is open note and it requires a little bit more explanation than normally would. So please go ahead and get that done. Please make sure it's in the correct format. I'm not accepting it if you don't have the explanations, because then I have no idea what you know, right? So please make sure that gets done, and please message me on Remind or email or any of the other ways that you know how to reach me if you have any questions.